Hello and welcome back. Last time, we spoke all about beverages and different glassware for them. And here, we will be talking all about the stage to successfully upsell food and beverages. In this clip, we just had the server at this fast food restaurant ask, "Would you like fries with that?" This is a classic example of upselling, and it works very well. Let's first start with the definition of upselling, cross-selling. What is suggestive selling? What is upselling? What is cross-selling? And what are the differences? Suggestive sales is a sales technique used in order to get a higher profit. It can be divided into two types, upselling and cross-selling. Upselling is a strategy to sell more expensive version of product that the customer is trying to buy. Cross-selling is a strategy to sell complementary products that are related to one the customer is buying. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but they can both increase your restaurant's revenue and the waiter's tip. Examples of upselling technique in a restaurant can be offering a gin and tonic to a guest made with more expensive tank 10 gin rather than a house gin. Okay, so we know all of this theory, but how can we achieve it? The first way to do this is by understanding the customer's psychology and mood. You can do this by observing them. The customer could be on business meal, family dining out, party or celebration, or even a single business traveler. If you observe your guests carefully, the way they walk in, sit at a table, their manner, their dress, their talk, all of this could give you a variable clues to help you to judge them. The second way to do this is by knowing your menu and suggesting. Never ask a closed question. A closed question which has a yes or a no answer doesn't start a conversation. In fact, it could lose a sale. Be ready to answer questions about food or beverages that are known to the guest. Suggest a maximum of 3 of them to choose that from, so that softly pleasures them to get one. The next way to do this is by describing. Describe all dishes by using one appetizing description. Your description should help guests to see, to smell, and to taste the dishes in his mind. A great way to do this is to make a small list of how the dish is made and a few of its ingredients. And the last but not least way is to handle objections by offering alternatives. Try to overcome hesitations. Don't worry if a guest says no to your suggestions. Not all suggestions will be accepted, and that's okay. Don't take it personally. Guests say no because they don't want your suggestion, not because they don't like you. Even guests who say no, we appreciate your efforts to be helpful and professional. Some guests hesitate because they are not sure what items is, and if so, give them a confident description to paint them an image. Also, some guests hesitate because they can't make a decision. They need your encouragement. To encourage guests to buy, we must speak with confidence and enthusiasm. Show that you believe your item is good, and guests can be convinced for sure. And that's about it. It all comes with practice, and more practice. Check out this video on the next pages, where you will get to see how to upsell drinks, appetizers, and then food and beverages. In the next session, we'll be starting a new module that's all about setting good first impressions by properly greeting customers, taking their orders, and serving them their food and beverages. That's it for now. See you in the next video.